Dina, welcome. Now, if I'm the defense attorney here and I know you consult on cases, I go to you and I say, I'm worried about three things in this case. That when you know there's a mental problem, you don't tell the school that you bought your son a gun and 50 rounds. When there's a shooting, you go home to look to see if your gun is there. And when you find your gun gone, you call 911 and say, my son could be the school shooter. To me, that says foreseeability.
It does. It's going to be hard for the defense because, this wasn't just this idea of him maybe using this gun in this violent way. He was drawing pictures of it, and it was that gun. So it is going to be really hard. Their argument is essentially going to be that how can anybody foresee something like a mass shooting, even if you have a gun in your home, even if you have a problem child, that it's a stretch to think that this is going to happen. But I think evidence like that gun and the meeting with the school is why they were able to get a conviction with the mother and why they probably will here too.
Oh, well, we have a saying, your parent is not your friend. Your parent should be your parent. Your thoughts about whether or not he will be convicted?
Well, yes, and there's also a legal duty here. And parents can be on the hook for other things like cars that could become a lethal weapon, depending on how they give access to the car. So this is not necessarily unusual. There is law around this. But I think she's got it. She's got the legal duty, the reasonable foreseeability, and that it's preventable. So I think they'll probably get a conviction here.